Hey there and welcome back to our kitchen. My name is Emily and this is Jenny and we are two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are making an easy sheet pan meal filled with veggies and one of our favorite protein foods, salmon.
That's right, Emily. We are making a Thai glazed salmon with veggies, and this is a great way to bring the world to your table because it's packed with so many great flavors, and we're making it super easy. It's all on one pan.
Less dishes.
Yes.
Not to love about that.
All right, so to get started, we have our baking sheet. It's covered with foil, and we just lightly sprayed it with some cooking spray so the salmon doesn't stick. And then we have a pound of salmon cut into 4 4-ounce fillets.
Yes, and today we're using Verlasso salmon, which you can find in our meat and seafood department. And this is a sustainably sourced option for salmon. And actually, a fun fact, all of our seafood options are now 100% sustainable.
Yeah, what's not to love about that? So let's get all these colorful veggies onto the pan. We have some bell peppers. You can use whatever colors you like. We chose red, orange, and yellow.
Yep.
And then we've got some red onions, some carrots, and some peas. You can use snap peas or
snow peas. Whatever vegetables you have on hand. I would maybe add some mushrooms if I had them. Really, whatever you have on your fridge would be great in this sheet pan meal. So while Jenny is going ahead and adding all of those colorful vegetables, I am going to go ahead and start on our glaze. So kind of the star of our show today is a Thai sweet chili sauce, which you can find in our ethnic foods aisle. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy, but it adds a lot of flavor to this glaze. Then I'm going to add a little bit of lower sodium tamari. You could also use soy sauce. Then a little bit of minced ginger. Great Asian-inspired flavors. And then a little bit of fresh lime juice. And for a little bit more heat, some red pepper flakes.
And you can always leave that out if you aren't a huge fan of spicy
but
food.
We both love spicy things, so we're adding
Bring it
lots.
on.
Yep. All right. Get some of these dishes out of the way. But we're going to go ahead and reserve about 1/4 a cup of this glaze for the very end. So add a little bit more flavor at the end. I'll give this to you if you just want to drizzle it over.
Yeah, so this has so much great flavor, and it looks so good already with all of these colors. Absolutely love it. Okay, thank you. So then the final step is to cover our pan with foil.
This is going to help kind of steam those veggies and keep everything nice and juicy in there.
Yeah, prevents it from drying out, so go ahead and get this in the oven.
Yeah, so Jenny's going to pop this in the oven. We're going to bake this at 375 for 15 minutes. And then what we would do is remove the aluminum foil cover and turn on the broiler and broil it for another 5 to 7 minutes until the salmon is done, nice and fork tender, so it'll flake easily with a fork. And the top will get a little bit of a charred look as well, which is going to add more flavor as well. So we already have one done, and it is looking delicious. I am going to use this reserve marinade and kind of put a little bit on top of each of these salmon pieces, just for a little bit more flavor.
Looks so good.
I love all of the color in this dish. Add the rest of this. We don't want to miss out on any of that flavor.
All right, so I will go ahead and serve us up a piece. This looks so good. I love how colorful the veggies are. We always say eat the rainbow, so it's a great way to do so. You ready to try it?
I am ready. That's
hot.
I love salmon. It's
Me too.
So good.
This is one of my favorite dishes.
Well, we hope you give this easy sheet pan meal a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.